Good evening. When it comes to increases in deaths, Washington ranks #2, closely behind Oregon. And according to the CDC, the number of deaths in 2022 nationally was up nearly 75,000, up nearly 30% over a year ago. Each day, the King County Medical Examiner's Office releases a list of victims that died from fentanyl or a fentanyl drug mix.
George Allen, 32-year-old, who died in Seattle, Washington on September 19th. Cause of death is acute drug intoxication, including fentanyl.
Tuesday, 4 people reportedly died, the most recent a 29-year-old woman.
Michael Northerner, Carl Davis, Reeve, Washington.
In 2023 in King County, more than 782 deaths have already been reported compared to just 714 in 2022. This graph shows how they skyrocketed over the last 2 years, with Families Against Fentanyl reporting the largest state increases in fentanyl deaths in the last year were in Oregon at 67% and Washington at 65%.
It's hard to kind of capture just how badly our drug overdoses are occurring right now because of fentanyl.
In 2022, drug overdose was the #1 cause of death for 18 to 35-year-olds in Thurston County.
People had the heroin. That was the drug for a long time. Fentanyl comes along, it's a lot more potent.
Last week, Fox 13 reported that 3 children under 12 overdosed on fentanyl in Pierce County alone. A 2-year-old girl died after ingesting multiple pills. Her father arrested for manslaughter. The Tulalip Police Department also reporting last week that rainbow fentanyl pills were circulating in Snohomish County. U.S. Attorney General Merrick Garland said Tuesday Mexican drug cartels were driving the crisis.
These cartels operate without respect for human rights, for human life, or for the rule of law.
Sanders says the fentanyl is also getting stronger, sometimes making it hard to revive victims.
And it's so powerful, they're just dying. They're dying. We're getting to a point where Narcan isn't being as effective to bring them back.
And now that law enforcement can once again arrest people using drugs openly, Sanders hopes for some it will save their life because there are addiction treatment services at the jail. In the newsroom, Jennifer Dowling, Fox 13 News.